Hi, a lot of news coming from US and UK regarding the seed spam. Basically, the seeds, unidentified seeds are coming into the mailbox of people. So, आज की video में we are going to discuss about this seed spam, what it is, how it is happening, why it is happening, where it is happening. So, please do watch the complete video to know about it more. Hi, I'm Kamal Sehgal Sood. You are watching the series Plants in My Balcony. Welcome back today. अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो please do subscribe, ring the bell icon so that you get the notifications of all the new videos. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to answer basically the simplest question which everybody asks me, where you basically buy the plants from. Because as a plant lover, we always keep on increasing our babies into the balconies, terrace gardens. So the first question everybody asks me, one, where do you buy the plants from? I'm going to answer that. And of course, what do you feed your plants? We have been discussing in many videos, we are feeding organic things to our plants. So when I'm talking about where to get plants from, मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि आप कोई भी नर्सरीज़, हम सबके घर के आसपास कोई कोई नर्सरीज़ हैं, छोटी हैं, बड़ी हैं, बट उनके प्लांट की जो क्वालिटीज़ है वो बेटर होती है इन अ सेंस, क्योंकि आप वहाँ जाके खुद पर्सनली फिज़िकली इंस्पेक्ट कर सकते हो, प्लांट्स को देख सकते हो कि उसका रूट सिस्टम कैसा है, शूट सिस्टम कैसा है, कोई पेस्ट अटैक तो नहीं है। और बहुत सारी ऐसे प्लांट्स जो शायद आप एक या दो घर पे ऑर्डर करोगे, वहाँ से आप 8-10 लेके आते हो। सो इट्स ऑलवेज अ वेरी वेरी फुलफिलमेंट फीलिंग व्हेन यू गो टू अ नर्सरी एंड बाय द plants that you like. Okay, and of course there are many sites also available where you can go, where you don't have to go anywhere and you can order the plants and you also get them. But if you ask me personally, in my opinion, I would like to go to a nursery, have a very good day among the plants and then buy the ones which I am like really needing. I also would like to discuss one thing. If you have heard, it's not, earlier it was believed to be a rumor, but now it has been authenticated by the government of US in many states. वहाँ पे लोगों की मेल्स में बहुत सारे येलो और वाइट कलर के एनवलप्स आ रहे थे which had seeds in them. I am not very sure and I don't have any right of commenting, but the addresses were, I think, in Chinese. So the people became cautious और उन्होंने वहाँ के जो वहाँ के agricultural departments हैं वहाँ पे बताया. Now I think there has also been उन्होंने जो गवर्नमेंट है उन्होंने इशू किया हुआ है उन लोगों के लिए गाइडलाइंस की प्लीज़ डू नॉट प्लांट all the seeds which are coming in your mailboxes unordered. जो हमने ऑर्डर किए तो of course they are going to come into our addresses, but हमने ऑर्डर भी नहीं किए हैं अगर, और कोई भी मेल बॉक्सेस में सीड्स आ रहे हैं, जस्ट बी कॉशियस. ऐसा हो रहा है कुछ पार्ट्स ऑफ वर्ल्ड में. अगर हमारे इंडिया में अभी तक कोई भी इंस्टेंस नहीं है, सो हमें कोई भी डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. सो दिस वीडियो इज़ नॉट टू क्रिएट पैनिक अमंग समबडी, बट इट्स ऑलवेज बेटर टू बी कॉशियस, इट्स ऑलवेज बेटर टू बी अवेयर, एंड इट शुड बी it is basically our responsibility to know that what is happening around the world. So being a plant parent, I love plants and I also have a community around me who loves plants, who are plant lovers. So I thought this is my moral responsibility to share this point, share my views on this point, that we should also be aware that कोई भी अगर ऐसे packets हमारे पास आ रहे हैं वो seeds को हमने नहीं use करना, because we don't know, they can be some harmful seeds or they can be some seeds which can damage our indigenous crops. जो हमारे यहाँ की अपने native crops हैं उनको हो सकता है कोई harm कर सकते हैं. So I am not sure, but it's always better. हमने हमेशा बचपन से एक proverb पढ़ी हुई है, it's always better, precaution is better than cure. कुछ बाद में गलत हो, harmful हो, उससे better है हम पहले ही cautious हो जाएं, हम aware हो कि अगर ऐसा कुछ बाहर हो रहा है, कुछ countries में हो रहा है, so it can also happen in India. So this was the only thing I wanted to discuss, and I always say that plants are beautiful creatures, they are living. Talk to them, water. If you're only watering and feeding them, that's okay, that's fine. But also talk to your plants, that makes them very very happy, and you also in turn becomes very happy. I always say just happy gardening to all of us. Do like, share, subscribe, share with your friends the information in this video, and please share your suggestions in the comment box so that we can work upon them. Thank you so much.